Hi everyone. Well, today's the day. I picked the recipient of the 100 subscriber giveaway that I started. Uh, so I have gone through the comments. I erased my comments because when I went to the YouTube comment picker, it was actually picking me a couple of times. So I now have the address ready to go. I have filtered duplicate users, and let me dim this so it's a little bit more visible. That's a little bit better. So, 1, all right, 2, and 3. Sprinkled Donut Forge. Congratulations. Yours is the winning comment. So, get in touch with me via email off of my my business email contact information off of my About page, and I will get in contact with you as well. And we'll see about getting this out to you. Congratulations, and I really want to thank everybody who participated and who has supported me in this channel over the years. And I hope that you all enjoy the projects that I've got coming up. This is a project, but I haven't created a video for it. Uh, I might just do a quick review of what it is. It's a costume piece for another show. Yes, it's a spider. Um, thank you all very much. Have a great day. And at the end of this video, I'm going to have sort of a credits crawl for all the people who have inspired me, the people that I first watched, like on YouTube for blacksmithing or for woodworking, like uh, well, Roy at Christ Centered Ironworks, Mitch Peacock, Paul Sellers, a whole slew of people. The people who got me started in blacksmithing on the internet were Tuan over at Warp Legacy and Lassa over at Not Only Wood. They were the ones who first gave me a challenge when I even didn't have a forge to try to do stuff. So I wanted to really show my appreciation, give you that credit crawl at the end. So you see everybody who I have taken inspiration from and who inspire me, and I hope who I, in return, somehow inspire. Thank you all.